Hi everyone, welcome back to Celltronix. How to create bootable pen drive or USB. First, single boot USB. Download Rufus from description, run as admin, plug USB 10, chose your OS. Here we create a DOS. I chose DOS OS. Now don't change anything, just click start and wait. Use original USB pen drive, else slow speed. Okay, it seems it's done. Let's make Windows. USB now, same, open Rufus as admin, chose Windows image, now here. If your system is with new BIOS UEFI, then chose GPT, else. If older, then chose MBART. Chose NTFS for fast file system and click start. Again, wait, this time. Little more depend on system. Speed, ISO size, and USB speed. When done, it will notify you. Third one, my favorite one, multi-boot USB. Set start, this time download the tool Ventoy from description, run as admin, plug your USB and hit install button. Till it work, we will open OS that we need. Now just drag them and drop it to the second driver of your sub made my Ventoy. That's all, see you in next video soon. Allah may bless and protect our Muslim brothers sisters from kafirs, Ameen.